Next up is our accounting workflow, taking these transactions and pushing them through to an accounting system. This starts with the labeling. These labels that you apply will need to match up with the chart of accounts that you're going to import from your accounting system. For example, this revenue label here, I know that I want to push that transaction into an income account that I'm going to bring in from my accounting system. If we head over to accounting, into integrations, we can connect up our accounting platform. You can connect up Xero or QuickBooks automatically, or you can connect any other accounting platform via CSV. In this scenario, I've connected up Xero. With just 2 clicks and a prompt within Xero, I've connected Cryptio to my Xero account. From there, Cryptio has automatically imported my chart of accounts from Xero into Cryptio. Within this chart of accounts, I have different asset accounts for the different crypto assets that I hold. I have income accounts, expense accounts that relate to my crypto activity. If you're importing from a platform that we don't support natively right now, such as NetSuite, Sage Intacct, SAP, or other smaller accounting systems, then you can import your chart of accounts via CSV. Then you can map your transactions back to this chart of accounts and later export a ledger entries report and upload that into your accounting system. But in this demonstration, I'll show you how this works with Xero, and it works exactly the same with QuickBooks as well. Once you've connected your accounting system, you can head to Chart of Accounts. In here, this is where we map the different parts of our crypto transactions to the relevant chart of accounts. First and foremost, we have default account mapping. This is where we map realized gains, losses, and transaction fees to the relevant accounts in our chart of accounts. The reason these are set by default is because they occur on most transactions. Next, for each wallet, we want to map where the changes in each asset should be booked. For example, in this MetaMask wallet here, I've mapped my DAI to my DAI asset account that I set up in Xero, my Ethereum to my Ethereum MetaMask asset account that I set up in Xero, and so on. When I click on individual mapping, you will see all the assets that Cryptio recognizes within your wallet, and you simply match this off to the correct asset account that you want to book that into. In this case, I want to match my wrapped Ethereum to my Ethereum MetaMask asset account. If you have a large number of small assets, you can map default to one account. So you can map just the 5 top assets, for example, to their own asset account, and maybe have another asset account called Other Crypto, and map all assets not individually mapped to that account. You also have the option to have individual fee accounts for each wallet as well. Once you've mapped your different wallets, exchanges, and custody wallets, you then need to map your labels. For example, here I've got my revenue label, and as mentioned earlier, I want to book that in an income account. So here you will see all the different income and expense accounts that I've brought in from Xero, and I just find the correct account that I want to book these transactions into. In this case, it's sales revenue. I've done the same with expenses. My payroll label is booked to my employee payroll expense account. Once you've done this mapping and clicked apply, when you go back to your transactions tab now, you will see on the transactions that this relates to that the platform now knows what to credit and what to debit based on the mapping you've done. This will then be the accounts that are credited and debited with the correct values when we push this through to your accounting system.